What's up guys, thank you for watching JGTechBlog, and today I will be showing you guys how to unlock the new Alcatel 7 from Metro PCS so you can use it worldwide. First, I want to give a huge shout out to our sponsors, the Unlocking Company. I will leave a link down below for their description, check them out. Okay, for the first step, you will need to find out the IMEI number is unlocking the phone, going to the dial pad, typing *##06#, and the IMEI should automatically pop up. Be sure to have this number handy because we will be using it in the next step. Okay, so the next step is going to the unlockingcompany.com. Here you will find out who the manufacturer is. Click the manufacturer of your phone, then select the model that you have. Click unlock now. You will then choose the country you purchased your phone from and the carrier of the phone, and go on to the next step. Once you get to this step, type in your IMEI number and your name, and then be sure to type in the correct email because they will send you your PIN number and you need that to continue unlocking the phone. Go ahead and press order now and pay for it, and then I'll show you the next step. Alright guys, so once you completed that step, go ahead and check your email just to make sure that you got the PIN number from the company. Once you got that, just go ahead and hold the power button just to turn off the phone. Okay, then we will go ahead and use our SIM removal tool to take out our old SIM card. So we're going to take out the old SIM card and then use another one. It can be any carrier, it doesn't matter. Just use a SIM card other than Metro PCS. Once you put it back in, go ahead and turn on the phone. Okay, right when you turn on the phone, you're going to be presented with this screen. Just go ahead and type in the PIN number that the company sent you and then click unlock. Alright guys, so once you typed in your PIN number that you got from your email, you should be presented with this screen. This indicates that your phone is now unlocked and you can use it with any carrier globally. One more thing, some phones might require an app to unlock. Just don't worry about it. The Unlocking Company could unlock those as well.
Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button to be notified when I upload more videos. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.